Yeah.
Schwarzwald.
This the one yun. Ito yun, yung pinuntahan natin. O parang wishing well. Malalim din siya. Ayun yung nagdudugtong. Ayun. And umorder ako nito. Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte. Saka ng tea at saka ito. Ako na Scott.
Ja. Wil je daar een doekje zitten?
Yeah, absolutely. Ang falls! Kita nyo na? Ayun ang falls! Grabe ang ganda. Ito yung binayaran mo eh. Diyos ko. Libre lang naman to ng Panginoon. Taran. Ba't may bayad? This is a falls.
Ja.
Germany Falls.
Dit is not Niagara. This is Germany, man.
Yeah. Ang ganda. Grabe. Woo! Ganda ng falls. Super. Ang ganda. Kami may napakagad na talaga. Oh. Doon tayo galing kanina. Papanik pa tayo doon sa taas na yon. Kasi marami pang views.
Yep.
Na almost
Let's
battery.
go.
That's nice, ah.
Wow. I love you to camera. Okay. Also wind it to the next level.
Papanik tayo sa taas, ha?
I like our rumbling today.
Hike, hike, hike. Hike na hike, ang jowa. Super hike.
This is nice, huh? Wow.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Just walk.
To the uphill fairy tale farm.
Super hike, hike na hike. Wow. Ang ganda. Let's go up. More up. What you can see until dark. Whoop! Hi, Jowa! Wow! Stunning! It's stunning overview. Hello!
Let's fly to the horse.
My God! Let's go up.
Ja. Oh wow.
Wonderful. So wonderful. Everybody. So wonderful. Everybody's so wonderful. Hello, everybody. Everybody's good. Ang ganda ng Germany. I love Germany. What you gonna say?
We amo Deutschland.
Beautiful?
It is.
Yeah.
Germany is such a big country. You can see
Yeah.
a lot of
Anyway.
things they have. I think every province is so different. From the coastline to the mountains and everything in between.
Kahit. Woo! Woo! Mm. Hi, Scott. So, Tinok, Scott. Too much. Woo, waterfall. Hello. Yay, success.
Dit is verder.
Naman po.
Nee. Natural.
Yan po ako.
Hi.
Good morning, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, your Kameme Vlog. Tayo ay aawra na ulit at galing tayo dun sa market. Papakita ko sa inyo ang video. Ito na, baboom. Sa market day here in, where at? Gesbach.
Gengenbach.
Gegenbach in Germany. Grabe. Para din siyang strawberry oh. Ang daming makikita dito. Pati yung mga scrubbing. We will go now. Dito yan sa plaza. Moy. Ayun na nga. Ang ganda ng mga nakita sa market dahil pupunta ulit tayo sa train station. At tayo ay pupunta ulit sa other city. Where are we gonna go?
I think we're going to France. But you know, I'm never sure.
My God. Kaya lang kami nag-aaway. Mamaya bago-bago na naman siya ang isip. Pabago-bago isip nito para siyang weather ng Netherlands. Pabago-bago. Another day, another adventure. Another POV. Charot. Dito na kami sa train station at lipat tayo sa isang
Heute auf Gleis 5.
this is the train that we're gonna go.
Ich wiederhole. RS 4 von
Ha?
Straßburg. Ankunft 10:22 Uhr. Heute auf Gleis 5. Direkt gegenüber.
Ano sabi? Direct daw?
Think from this.
River. Yeah? Ah, exactly. Kasi papunta na tayo sa mga kamimay sa France. Pupunta tayo sa France. Malapit na tayo. Actually, France, this is France already, yeah? Because we changed the bridge. So, we will go to France. Just one station, we are there. Ito ang view. Puro masa ang mga industrial ang view. Mga bahayan. Hindi ka akit-akit masyado. Let's go! Are in the France, mga kamimay. Ito yung mga bahayan, oh. Kita nyo? Diba? Ganda. Nasa likod tayo. Mga bahayan nila, day. Mamaya i-check ko kung anong lugar ito, day. Kung saan tayo pupunta. Mga inday sa Balitaw. Bienvenue, welcome in Care de Strasbourg. Ayun doon nakasulat. Strasbourg pala ito. Tingnan nyo ang kanilang tren. 2 hours far away to Paris. Pag nag-train ka from here, fast train yun, ha. Oo. Ito na ang kanilang train station in Paris, Strasbourg. Yun, nasa Strasbourg tayo, mga kamimeng. At halika na, puntahan natin sa loob. Here now, at the bus. Palabas na tayo, mga kamimeng, sa kanilang station. Ayan. Kita nyo naman. Bienvenue. Hello, France. Oh, di ba? Sino magkakaroon sa friends na tayo? Wow. Yeah.
See this the outside of the station?
Yeah.
Big hole in front.
Oh, yeah. That's nice. That's really nice. I have a video. And now this reconstructing. And glass, ha? They all glass. Yeah. Nasa France na kami. Welcome. Rotterdam. Yeah, Rotterdam. Rotterdam. The bus is Rotterdam. We need to go to Rotterdam. In the bus. Rotterdam. In the Rotterdam.
I think that's a neighborhood here. I didn't know that.
Wow! Ang dami ding fits. You can rent the fits here. Ang daming bicycle. Pupunta tayo sa Winkle Center. Ooh! Yes, mga kamimeng. Sino magsabi, nasa France tayo. Welcome to the France. Germany lang tayo kanina, ngayon France na. Diba? Pak! Laban tayo. Oy, kay Scott, ang ganda. Oh. Yan, oh. Parang iglo. Yada. Before it's like that, now it's they cover it all with the glass. Ang ganda. Hello, France. Hi, Scott.
Hello.
One more. Hello.
And welcome
To
Strasbourg.
Bonjour. Voulez-vous cacher de votre choix? Voulez-vous cacher? Ano tayo? The mall. Your bag's cut in the front.
Yeah.
You know. And you are here walking because it's bicycle lane there. Hello, Tram. Kamusta ka naman, Tram? Sana nagigising ka na, Tram. Sa katotohanan. Punta tayo sa Cathedral. Cathedral de Amor. Yan o. Bango? Baho? Dami mabibili. Punta tayo sa loob bukas. Ganda oh. Go and explore this city. Oh, they have a Bäckerei.
Wow.
Pasterie. Oh, alam nyo na. Oh, ang tangkad ng dalawa. Ang mga cheese. That's wow.
But this city is also famous for the canals. Let's go here.
Canal?
Yeah.
Why you like canal? We have a lot of canals in Netherlands. And
Also like
canals
canals in
again?
Germany.
Oh my god. Alas ka na. Oh, see? Parang din na Deutschland, but nasa ano tayo? France. Souvenir. Like a Christmas souvenir days. Oh, this is the Alp. Nice, ah. Ganda. Sino ka dyan? Saan ka dyan? Saan ka dyan? The Love Bridge.
Wat vind je dat echt een lang
Yeah. You can picture me in the Love Bridge. This is the canal. Ah. Parang Duitsland toch?
Ja, ik vind een beetje Duitsland, een beetje Frankrijk.
Ja.
Ja, gewoon een lekkere mix.
You know. And they have love letter. I love Bridge.
Ah, ja, dat is wel
Yeah.
Frans, hè.
That's nice. Chanchara. Kanchara.
Oh, we need to wait voor de...
Ah, you need to wait to go in.
Ja, dat is de bridge. Maar de rondvaartboot moet er langs.
Ah, that's why. You need to wait for the...
Ja.
I need to see.
Die zegt
Basta.
film.
Yeah. Ah. Yan na.
Ja, 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 kijk even. Ah ja, maar van die kant zie je er nog meer.
Okay.
Ja, wat je hoort. Ja, ik weet niet hoe die vader is. Dat was
And then, start.
Wat is dat?
Yan na.
Ja, lekker.
Alam niyo na mga kami. First time natin makita to.
Turning bridge. That's how they do it.
Yay! Let's turn around. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, so we can walk over there. The waterfalls. Souvenir shop. Hail souvenir. Souvenir for the France. Oh, candy. Next, test me. Ah, here, Batavai.
Okay. Christmas.
Yeah, it's a candy shop. Wow! Wow, wow eh. Ang ganda. Oh. And then there's a can. Ang ganda. You know.
Außer
nakita ko di ba yung telephone niya? Ayan na siya. Nakita ko. Sabi ko ilagay dun sa shop. Ito sila. That telephone there. Here. I put it there. Exi. There. Bridge. Telephone. And exit there. I see the telephone there. That's the telephone. Right. Yeah? Okay? Yeah. Good, good.
Take care, enjoy your stay, be careful.
Careful.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
No, drink. Too much drink. Yes, na-solve ang problem. Nakakita kasi ako ng telephone dito. Pero nakita ko siya door.
Ja,
Di ba? Nakita ko sila door.
nou, maar wel echt scherp, joh.
Yeah.
Eerst hier.
See?
Ja.
Solve the problem. Nakagawa tayo na maganda sa kabutihan sa ating puso. Kung iniwan ko yun doon, may mag-interest noon, die. iPhone, this is iPhone.
Nee, Android. Even though.
super happy siya. Ah, good kidan, Scott.
Jij schat. Jij schat. Ik heb het ook goed wezen.
Kasi nakita ko siya kanina nung nagfi-film ako. Sabi ko siya yun.
I don't know what to do,
Kasi
but
nakainom
together.
na. But if you only one person, you don't.
Nee,
Give.
dan had ik gewoon
Maakt
staan
niet
en
uit.
gedacht van shit. I think after thinking 5 or 10 minutes, I would give it to the shop.
Yeah.
But I will not recognize the guy for sure. Oh.
Wow, hello. They have tourist guide. This.
Oh.
Yeah, this. And then you picture and then scamming you. This kike.
Oh,
Then
yeah.
he asking you many money. Yeah, this. Yeah, kike. Both of them. Yeah. That's not good, huh?
Actually, it's not allowed.
Yeah.
We're allowed to picture in the streets without paying any tickets.
Wow. These are pretzels. Ah, that's the famous one. That's the one. The famous
Ik
one.
zeg geen trek in op dat ding hoor, dat liever een brood.
Ik ook. No. I don't like that. Pizza kosher. It's a ham and cheese, denk ik.
Ja,
Nee.
wel lekker uit.
Square. Hi vlog. Hi Carson. That's nice. Ang cute ng mga bata. Oh, di ba? So moy. Wow. Ang ganda. Grabe. Notre Dame.
Le Notre Dame de Strasbourg.
Imus. Notre Dame Imus Cavite. Charot. Ganda. Oh! Welcome to the Frankreich, France. The chocolate.
Bijna.
This is a verde, denk ik.
Ja, dat is die worden, dat kan wel.
You know, Chinese green tea.
Die gaan we nemen hoor.
Huh? That's
Kiss me
nice.
tea. Nee. Go for this kiss me tea.
Wow. Dito tayo sa loob ng simbahan. Yung mga luma nilang... Wow. Moy. Ang ganda. Para na siyang museum. Ang ganda. That's my, mga kameme, as in, daming tao. Napakaganda naman itong orasan nila, guys. Grabe, oh. Sa loob na simbahan. Ang tagal na niya. MDCCCXXXXV. Just comment down below kung anong year yun. MDCCCXXXV 111. It's 8.1. Ganda. Fa Cathedral. Tignan natin siya. Dahil gusto makita sa labas. Yung cathedral. Ay! Cut this cathedral. Also. That's nice.
Yeah, that's it.
Moy.
I think we go back to the center.
Yes, mooi, kijk.
Oh wow. Oh, als een schoen. Hier is een lijn.
What's your bigger Bazaar? Ayan o, parang market day din. Bazaar, tapos may tennis around here. Meron silang pa-tennis tournament.
Oh, we buy
For
some
the
cards.
fans, yes.
And we're gonna post it
For
here.
the mama and papa.
Here we are.
Yes. So, this is my baby.
Yeah, because of your idea when we see the post office. Oh yeah, you're right. I need to buy stamps first, then buy the card. That's what we learned from other countries.
Mall. Dito yung mall. May mall sila sa loob. Nag-aambon na, kaya mag-mall tayo dahil. Diyan tayo sa loob, let's go. Tapos diyan tayo sasakay mamaya ng tram pa uwi. Go inside. Where are we going now?
Target, huh?
We go there? Yeah, I'm
Target.
tired. Kijk, they have pole? Okay. They're eating a pole. Sepura? Waar?
Wat wil je? Even shoppen of lekker met de tram?
Look at the tram. Ah, it's raining. It's raining now? Maybe we can... Yeah, it's raining. A little bit. We are here. Mag-ano tayo, mag-tram naman tayo, mamaya tayo mag-train. Ay, druk. Ang druk. Ang amoy. Grabe. Busy. Wala tayong upuan.
Good stuff. You don't want to take care.
No.
Ja, met 4 staan.